You will want to add subjects to your LibGuide so that it can be categorized within the LibGuide site. Therefore, a patron will be able to locate your LibGuide by selecting it from a list under the particular subjects you have selected on the main IUP LibGuides page. Let's begin. On your LibGuide, select the pencil icon next to subjects. You can select your subjects from a list that has been generated by LibGuides administrators. If you need a subject that is not included in the list, you will need to contact an admin if you are not an admin yourself. Select your subjects from the drop-down list by clicking on the subject. You can select multiple subjects. I am going to select Political Science and Government from the drop-down list. I would also like to add constitutional law. However, in this case, constitutional law is not already among the subjects available. As an administrator, which most of you are, you can add subjects. Since I would like to add constitutional law, I will click on the Admin button on the control panel. From there, I will click on Subjects, Tags, and URLs. Next, I will click on the Add Subject button, and I will type in constitutional law and then click on Save. If you add a subject, you will need to return to the LibGuide you were working on. You can return to your LibGuide by first clicking on the blue tab that says LibGuides on the control menu bar, and then click on LibGuides on the drop-down menu that appears under the tab. Next, click on the drop-down menu next to Edit Existing Guide, and then select the name of the guide you were working on. In this case, I will select Library Resources for Political Science and Pre-Law Majors. I will then be returned to that particular guide. Now, when I click on the pencil next to subjects, the subjects that I have entered will be included on the selection list, which means I can now select constitutional law. After you have selected one subject, you can add another subject by clicking in the blank area of a subject field next to your first subject, and then a drop-down menu will appear again. Continue to select subjects until you have selected all of the subjects that your guide addresses. I am going to add political science, government, and constitutional law. If you would like to remove a subject, click on the X in the box that contains the subject you would like to delete. Once you have selected all of your subjects, click on OK. Now you can see that your subjects have been added to your LibGuide.